Hello guys, welcome back to Leozel's channel. With today's video, we are showing you a daytime clip from the Garmin Dashcam 46. As you can see here, the quality is 1080 HD quality, and it pretty much shows the entire street. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, it also shows a timestamp that provides the date, the time this is recorded, and the speed that your car is currently driving at. And with this clip, this was taken in the evening as the sun is about to set. The lights are very visible, as you can see from the traffic light there. And the cars are all visible. Maintaining a speed of 48 kilometers per hour. Despite the fact that it's getting dark, the quality is still clear. So I would definitely recommend having this dash cam for day or night. It also shows you, like, right at this very moment, the light is still green, and oh look, to the right, there's a person that's about to walk and he makes a rude gesture. Wow. So if we didn't have this dash cam, he could have like intentionally pretended to get hit by the car and make false claims.